Hey Droners, it's B here. And I know we usually talk about Dronr stuff, but today I want to share something new that transformed my life, the Austrian pancake. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're gonna need are eggs, just 2. Next up, half and half. You need Kroger brand. Next up, Fiji water. A little bit of flaming crunchy hot Cheetos. Next ingredient, for my Dronr connoisseurs, propellers. And this will make the flyest Austrian pancake you've ever seen. A tiny bit of flour. All you need is a dash. And then, for sweetness, a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna mix this up. Today, I've brought in one of the most high-end convection ovens on the market, one that we've reviewed before. And if you'd like to check out that review again, please click the link in the description. Now you wanna set the timer for about 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Start it up. Now, while we wait for this, I'm gonna tell you a little bit of history about this pancake. All right, here we go. Now we get to finally see and taste our masterpiece. There we go. There it is. The Austrian pancake. I know, amazing. And I'm glad you guys took this journey with me. It was incredible. And now you get to actually eat some. Now for me, one of the reasons why I wanted to present this to my Droners, my followers, is to tell you what this has done for me. For instance, now, look at my beard. It's full, it connects. I no longer have the beard of a 13-year-old. This is incredible. I now have 20/20 vision, okay? I can see full, but I keep the glasses because I actually look good with them on now. These are the things that this pancake can do for you. This is what I brought you here to show you. And now, for the final piece that I wanted to confess today, well, I don't want to say confessing, it's me finally coming into my own. And I want to thank someone very, very, very important to me who gave me the confidence to be a man and really pursue my dreams, and really everything that I stand for now is due to him. And I would like to thank Kevin Fredericks. And in order to show my thanks for him for giving me everything that he's done, I would like everyone to call me Kev Jr. from now on. And remember, stay fly.